This is Crypto World Tonight with Anna Teresa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto World Tonight. I'm Anne from the Philippines, and today we'll take a closer look at Bitcoin as it tests one of its most important resistance levels in months. So let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly time frame. Bitcoin is currently trading at 64,863. We have this descending resistance. Are we going to break this, guys? So we tried, from the top, the high was at 126, and then there was an attempt, right, to break this at this level, which is 83,000. If we do, so we have major resistance or 73 to 74,000 level, 80 to 83,000 level. If we break that, the head and shoulders bearish pattern will be invalidated. So let's go with the RSI. RSI is at 43, and that's not oversold. There's still room for either buyers or sellers to take control. Now let's go with the MACD. So for MACD, in the long-term trend remains bearish. So guys, if you're going to look at the histogram, that suggests that the selling pressure may ease. Now, let's go to the weekly time frame. RSI is at 41, showing weak momentum, but it has started to flatten, right? For the MACD, it's still below zero, which means the weekly trend hasn't turned bullish yet. However, the histogram has been improving. Same thing with the monthly time frame, suggesting momentum is gradually recovering. Okay, so let's go with the daily time frame. So with the daily time frame, again, look here. This is where things become more interesting, right? So Bitcoin has started making higher lows, while testing the descending resistance. So this is high. This level is 82. Low is at this level, 57 to 58 level. For the RSI, it has improved to around 59, right? 59 level, almost reached, or that reached 61 actually, showing stronger momentum without being overbought. For the MACD, MACD has crossed upward and the histogram has turned positive, which suggests that bullish momentum is starting to build. Welcome to Crypto News today, July 23rd, 2025. Is Bitcoin price recovery real? Here's what on-chain data reveals. Bitcoin is showing signs of recovery, but it's still too early to celebrate. On-chain data is improving, yet analysts say Bitcoin still needs to prove this rally has real momentum. Bitcoin sees a Japan ETF plan. Japan is moving closer to launching its first spot Bitcoin ETF by the end of 2028. If approved, it could make Bitcoin more accessible to investors and boost crypto adoption across Asia. Bitcoin may have bottomed before its traditional cycle low, Grayscale's panel. Grayscale believes Bitcoin may have already hit its market bottom earlier than expected. If that's true, this cycle could be different, and the next move higher may. TeraWulf signs a $19 billion AI deal, ETF inflows return, and Binance US plots a comeback. Spot Bitcoin ETFs ended their outflow streak with 197 million in inflows. Binance US is expanding with new products, and TeraWulf secured a $19 billion AI infrastructure deal, showing strong institutional confidence in crypto. It's the end of our Bitcoin update for today. I have a question for you. What do you think? Will Bitcoin break above this descending resistance trend line, or we are going to see one more pullback before the next rally? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, follow, and share to the Crypto World Tonight. And I hope to see you again, guys. Bye.